The perfect engagement ring is made up of two things: the amount of happiness you get out of it for the time and the money that you put into it. I know this because I've helped over 2,000 men go from no idea where to start to a happy fiance who loves her ring simply by better investing their time and money. And I'm going to show you how I do it so that hopefully you can do it. And I'll give you a framework that you can make yours so that you can make it more meaningful, more special, and more fun. So you do this by incorporating your story into your ring and your proposal. If I was a property developer, I would not start building on a plot of land unless I knew exactly what I was going to build. I would have a model. And this is the future state that I want. I would need to reverse engineer that outcome strategically. Now, having designed thousands of engagement rings, we always start with that model. We have a model for excellence, and we have a model for the memory that we want to reverse engineer. And then there are 4 stages between where we are today and where we need to get to. So let's look at stage 1 out of the 4, and it's really about getting clear on what is going to be most meaningful and profound to your partner. So I'd like you to meet Dean. He's a pilot and his partner is an air hostess. She was dreaming of this classic 3-stone ring, but there was a way that Dean could make that even more magical. He booked a hot air balloon in South Africa to propose, so we told that story in his engagement ring. And you can see here the secret hot air balloons hidden under the ring. And because these two love travel and adventure, we built that sense of adventure into their ring and their memory. The hot air balloons are set with 80 gems from around the world. It's very Phileas Fogg inspired. And Dean was able to propose with the ring that his partner wanted, but with this really special, magical and personal touch. And it tied the whole experience together into something that's really extraordinary and magical. And when they talk about that story today, it's like visiting an old friend because it's so vivid and it's profound and it's connecting. So how do you take what your partner really loves and turn it into your own story? Well, it's actually really simple. You start with step 1, which is about identifying an idea or a theme that tells your story in a way that your partner will love. And you can start that process right now by taking the matchmaker quiz. It's a free quiz. It has 12 yes/no questions that will give you a framework and a list of themes for your engagement ring based on your story and your memories. So go ahead and take the quiz below. I'm really excited for the discoveries that you're going to make. And I want you to know that there are thousands of men who've used this quiz to increase their confidence and create that really profound and lasting memory in their proposal. So grab the link below and see you on the other side.